If you need to insert superscripts and subscripts in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to format text using the built-in ribbon buttons in Word, so you can create things like formulas, footnotes, measurements, chemical equations, and more. This is a super useful skill whether you're working on school assignments, reports, or professional documents. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Word document and highlight the text you want to format. This is important because Word needs to know exactly which letters, numbers, or symbols you want to change. For example, if you want to make part of a word smaller and raised up, that's where Superscript comes in. If you want it lowered below the line, that's where Subscript comes in. Now look at the top of Word and go to the Home tab. In the font group, you'll see two buttons, one for Superscript and one for Subscript. The Superscript button usually looks like an X with a small number above it, and the Subscript button looks like an X with a small number below it. These are the tools you'll use to quickly apply the correct formatting. If you want Superscript, highlight the text first, then click the Superscript button in the font group. Word will instantly raise the selected text above the normal line. This is perfect for things like exponents, ordinal numbers, or reference markers. For example, if you're typing something like 10 squared, you can format the two as superscript so it looks clean and professional. If you want subscript, the process is just as simple. Highlight the text you want, then click the Subscript button in the same font group. Word will move the selected text lower than the standard text line. This is commonly used in chemistry, math, and technical writing, like H2O or formulas that need lower positioned numbers. Once you click the correct button, the formatting is applied immediately. If you want to undo it, just highlight the same text again and click the button one more time to turn the effect off. That makes it very easy to switch between normal text, superscript, and subscript whenever you need. A helpful tip is to use this method for only the exact characters that need formatting, so your document stays neat and easy to read. If you're working with a lot of equations or scientific terms, taking a few extra seconds to format them properly can make your document look much more polished. So to recap, the process is simple. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, find the font group, and click either Superscript or Subscript depending on what you need. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.